2012 Jeep Wrangler engine charge G46 Jeep Lemon AC compressor oil AC compressor 5 out. First time you remove the negative battery and remove the whole air duct, air filter, remove the upper whole radar. This one, yeah. Air duct filter, upper whole radar. And remove the whole AC compressor, this one and this one whole, and remove the one bowl, two bowl, upper, and remove the connect AC compressor. And the bottom you remove this bowl and this bowl AC compressor. And you remove the AC compressor. Take the make sure old AC compressor and new AC compressor make the same. And you take the AC compressor. Toilet not work, but AC compressor no good, you change the new. And all AC compressor, you feel the inside high out. And electro AC compressor.